Alright, good morning, guys. It is Monday, June 10th. Look at that view. That's amazing. I'm going to fly the drone today. Alright, guys. So, apologize that we didn't actually vlog more yesterday, which is today. And I didn't even close out the vlog. It felt kind of weird. So, I'm going to go ahead and close it out this morning and move on to the next one. So, kind of put a cap on the end of yesterday's vlog. So, yesterday was a lot of fun. It was the day after travel, so there really wasn't. Some people had more energy than others, but we wanted to kind of take it easy and have fun, so that meant, what else? Beach day. So we went down to the beach for a while, played in the water for quite a few hours, had some snacks and all that good stuff on shore, played some football and all that. It was a lot of fun. So and that's where that came from. So ouch, ouch, ouch. We got the drone out, so we were able to fly that around and capture some really cool pictures and stuff like that. Megan, my sister, who lived here before, so she's got some really cool places she can take us to for some really cool drone footage. So we're looking forward to that in the next couple days. And then what else did we do? We went out to one of their bars down here called the Tackle Box, and had a couple drinks and just hung out with the friends and family, and then came back and went to bed. So that was pretty much the day. But the other thing that happened, and I want to say congratulations to my brother and his girlfriend Andrea. He proposed to her last night on the beach while we were taking family pictures and things like that. He popped the question, and she said yes. So congratulations to Jon and Andrea. With that being said, let's go ahead and put an end to this vlog so we can get ready for today's vlog. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks.